It's always a pleasure to be here with you, WC. How have you been? Please leave your response at the comment section below. I really want to know. Thank you. Today's tutorial is on Peterpancollar. What you need to do first is to trace your center front like I'm doing right now to the waist, though it's not compulsory because what we need is just the neckline. So I'm going to trace the neckline now. Ensure the pattern you're tracing out, either your dress foundation or your bodice to the waist, is a fitted bodice which you've tested and you trust the pattern and is fitted. So that will enable you to have accurate or a nice neckline. You're going to place the tip of the shoulder of the center back against that of the center front. So I'm going to label that A. Pin it down, then you overlap it on the tip of the shoulder on the center front. I'm going to show you, don't worry. So now you measure. How do you overlap? You're going to measure half inch, then you overlap the center back on that of the center front. Be sure you pin it down properly so you don't have the issue I have here. The next thing is to mark out the new shoulder, because since you're going to overlap the shoulder tip, it's going to give you a new shoulder, and that what that does is it's going to give you a nice fitting. Also trace the center back neckline. Just follow what I'm doing. Trace the necessary places you need. Then take off the pin. Shape the new shoulder by connecting just the way I just did now. The new shoulder is B, while the old one is C. Why I did that is for you to be able to differentiate. So A is connected to B, which is the new shoulder, and the tip of the neckline of the center of that of the center back is D. Now on the center front, go down half inch, then reconnect the neckline, that's of the center front. Reason for this is to give the neckline a well-fitted. We also give the collar 1/8 rule, which we tend to hide the seam all around the neckline. That is why we took out half inch from the front neckline. I'm going to measure the collar width starting from the center back. For this this tutorial, I'm using 2 3/4. Depends on how you want it. If you want it bigger, you can use it bigger depending on the style you want. I'm going to measure around the 2.75, which is 2 3/4 inch. I'm going to take it round from the center front as well to the center back. Now, this collar is going to be cut on fold. That is, the center back is going to be on fold. I'm going to show us. This is what the center back picture looks like. So the front is going to be in pieces while the back is on fold. But if you want your center back to be in pieces as well, it's also in this video how to shape for the center back. But let's finish up with this. So I'm connecting the circular shape of the neckline collar. Just do it this way. Some will say, I don't have cuff, what will I use? You can as well use your broom. Just ensure you have it marked properly, accurately, so you can have the circular shape. So now I'm going to measure inwards about 1 inch in order for me to be able to shape the neckline. To shape the collar, to give it a definite shape, what Peterpan collar actually looks like. This collar is an interesting one, and it belongs to the family of flat fitting collar, or you can call it a row collar. And most especially you find it on school uniform, but now we have it, yeah, and it has been with us for a very long time, so it's fun. So I'm going to cut out now in order for us to see what it is eventually. Like I said, the center back is going to be on fold, but if you want to shape for center back, is also available in this video. Just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends, tell people about it, tell us what you want us to do. Probably you have something you want us to do. Welcome back. Now I'll be showing us how to shape for the center back. That is, if you want the center back to be in pieces form, all you need to do is trace out the first one we did. I traced it out. Now I'm connecting the first one, and this is the second one, which I'm going to use to illustrate the center back. What I'm going to do is to shape the center back, because it's going to be in pieces. I'm going to shape it like I shaped the center front. It is very, very simple. That's what you should do. Just shape that, and you have your collar too. So I'll be showing us two different two different shaped Peterpan collar. If you want the center back on fold, this is what it's going to look like, which is the first one we did. And if you want the back to be in pieces, this is it. So as you can see, there are two different shaped collar, but same purpose. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Please share the video with your friends. Tell people about it. We love you. We are always here. And if you want us to do anything for you, kindly leave a message.